Guys, we were having some fun with this 2017 BRZ, putting equal length headers into it, as well as a new exhaust. She's gonna sound pretty. DC Sports headers that we actually had in stock, equal length. So as you can see, Orlando's putting them underneath right now. This is gonna give it a solid sound. Also, give it a nice little boost in torque and horsepower, but when tuned properly, even more effective with performance. So we're waiting to see how this is sound. We've already got the mid pipe in as well, and then we're gonna go to a single exit out the rear. So clean up this restriction that, you know, good old Subaru puts on these exhausts and headers, and add a little more airflow, add a little more power, add a little more torque, and add a lot of more fun.